Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, and I am Mrs. Pandit. So today's video is the official trailer of Miss India. So we have Kirti Suresh and this movie is going to release on 4th of November on Netflix. Okay, so this is kind of sort of like an feminism kind of movie where they try to showcase the empowerment of women, and that is a great topic to discuss. I am very much excited being a woman. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see the trailer first and then we can talk more about on this trailer, and let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So चलो शुरू करते हैं.
అమ్మ సంయుక్త పెద్దయ్యాక ఏమవుతావు?
ఎంబీఏ చేసి బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను.
నువ్వు నిజానికి చాలా దూరంగా, అబద్ధానికి చాలా దగ్గరగా బ్రతుకుతున్నావు. నువ్వు అన్నయ్య జాబ్ చేస్తే తప్ప మరి ఇల్లు సరిగ్గా గడవదు. అలాంటిది నువ్వు బిజినెస్ చేయడం.
బిజినెస్ అనేది నీ మాటల్లోంచి కాదు, నీ మనసులోంచి కూడా పూర్తిగా తీసేసే ముద్దు. జీవితంలో మనం చేసే ఏ పనిలోనైనా ఎంత కష్టపడ్డాం అన్నది ముఖ్యం కాదు, ఎంత ఆనందంగా ఉన్నాం అన్నదే ముఖ్యం.
బిజినెస్ ఏం బిజినెస్? చాయ్, మన ఇండియన్ చాయ్.
Go girl.
ఫైన్. మన ఛాయ్ని నేలకాని నేల మీద అమ్మడం అంటే ఇట్స్ రియలీ గ్రేట్.
బిజినెస్ అనేది ఆడపిల్లలు ఆడుకునే ఆట కాదు. బిజినెస్ ఇస్ ఎ వార్.
ఐమ్ బోర్న్ టు డూ బిజినెస్. ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో నీ దాకా వస్తాను లేదా మిమ్మల్ని దాటిస్తాను, ఇది నిర్ణయిస్తుంది. మిస్ ఇండియా అంటే నేను కాదు, మిస్ ఇండియా అంటే ఒక బ్రాండ్.
This is very shameful at a certain point that people still think in our society that women cannot do anything. They meant to do the only household works. Their life is only bound to the house only. They cannot think also. Sometimes in some of the parts of India, people still think that women cannot raise their voice also. Okay, they cannot tell also whatever they are thinking, or whatever their opinion, they cannot showcase their opinion also as well. In some part of the India, we still see this kind of households now also, even in this century. So this is very shameful. I am getting shame and I am getting anger whenever I get to know this kind of incidents are happening in our country. But this kind of film will definitely raise some point of mentality. Some points of thoughts will be changed by seeing the movie. I think some percent, like 1% also, people will change their mind, whoever are thinking that women cannot do anything. This is the significance, and this is why I like Kirti Suresh a lot. She is a brilliant actress and she knows how to carry her character in a broad manner. Okay, that is what she has done, and the trailer was beautifully done. It was like on a businesswoman, the journey of the businesswoman, how she deal with problems, how she will be successful. And I think Miss India is the brand of the chai. Okay, I really like the name also. This is very meaningful and this signifies the whole womanhood. ओके, एंड कीर्ति सुरेश का एक्टिंग लेके तो कुछ बोलने का नहीं है, नया कुछ है नहीं. वी ऑल नो दैट हाउ वर्सेटाइल शी इज़, एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ द परफेक्ट रोल फॉर दिस कैरेक्टर. ओके, already we have seen a lot of movies where Kirti Suresh has done the lead role, and here also she will be phenomenal. She will be wonderful as the character because her physical structure, her body language, her way of expression, like giving the expressions, her dialogue delivery are very strong. very powerful at the same time, and she knows, like, she is carrying herself in a different way. It is very unique actually, and like deserves a clap, man. I cannot resist myself to clapping again and again, because I always like to see this kind of woman empowerment wala movie where we have to learn a lot of things. Like, we can learn a lot of things, because I am being a woman also, I sometimes resist myself to do this and that. This is not right also as well, because sometimes we also see that some of the housewives are having extraordinary talent and they cannot utilize their talent because of this household work pressure. They can be a good fashion designer, they can be a good cook or chef, they can be a teacher or a painter, whatever it is, because matlab women can do anything they want. Just the thing is, like, society cannot allow, society don't allow actually the woman to do something for herself, do something for their happiness, something for their dream. Okay, so we also see, we can't lie, okay, we also see that our family members also, if you see your mother or your auntie or anyone, like, they are having some extraordinary talent, and now at the very end of the age they are telling that, yeah, I am very much good at this thing, but I couldn't do that. So this is actually giving me very bad feeling, sometimes goosebumps also, that why society cannot change their mind, and why society cannot tell them that, yeah, go for it, girl, you can do it and you have to do it. Okay, because our society should contain both boys contribution as well as girls contribution also as well. अभी तो देखते हैं कि गर्ल चाइल्ड को भी मार दिया जाता है, जो कि I think the nastiest work whichever I think human can do. Okay, murder है वो. Okay, that also people are still doing in this century also. I can't resist my anger at that time, and I'm like, okay, I have to be calm and I have to be quiet, because I myself alone cannot do. Okay, so on this platform I think I can tell all of these stuffs, and so that if 1% of people also are watching my thing and they are having that kind of mentality, please change your mentality, because girl child are always beautiful, and woman empowerment is a very 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 great thing. And here also I think we will get to see the battle between Kirti Suresh and that person who is having that thought that why being a woman she can run a business, because business is not meant to be for women. He was telling like that. So the thing will be very interesting here. The battle between the feminism and the non-feminism will be very interesting over here. And yes, I am very much excited to see this kind of movies. Really I'm telling you guys, and most of the people, most of my viewers will be definitely wanting to see this kind of movies. Okay, so yes, 4th November I will be definitely watching this movie and giving very soon the review. Okay, as soon as I see the movie, after that only. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. It is a 10 on 10 from my side, because the trailer was made beautifully, everything was like very clear, the visualization was very good, prominent, and the execution of each and every scenes are very sophisticated and very beautifully executed, as you can see. Okay, so yes, this is a 10 on 10 from my side, and now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Jovi Jason Akrapathy, and he's commenting, it's look like a promising and beautiful one, romantic angel Pravas and Pooja Hegde hoping for a surprise romantic fairy tale. Radhe Shyam, Pravas and Pooja Hegde train scene interesting, right? Romantic reaction Mrs. Pandit. Yeah, that scene was itself was a very romantic scene, and that is a fairy tale, like a romantic fairy tale kind sort of a movie, you can definitely say that. And I also even understood that I think this movie is having full on dramatic romantic content in it. What I think is it can be a ancient time love and the present time love, like the differentiation between the that time love and this time love, because if you see the motion poster, some scenes were like ancient times love, okay, and some scenes are like gradually going to the present. We can tell more about this once the trailer gets released. Okay, before that we cannot tell anything. So yes, I really enjoyed it, and that is the main thing. Okay, so thank you so much Jovi Jason for commenting and for watching our videos. So the second comment is again from Jovi Jason Akrapathy, and he's commenting, we are missing Mr. Pandit, Mrs. Pandit. So yes, I am also missing each and every time whenever I'm giving the reactions video, but what to do, he is not well, you guys know. He is doing well now, but he is not allowed to sit for a longer time. on this sofa. He can sit definitely on the bed. So I'm having a plan to meet you soon, Mr. Pandit, and he is also very much eager to see you all. He is also very much eager to give his opinion on the movies, on the trailers, on everything. He also misses a lot, but what to do, we have to wait for some more days, and we have an appointment with doctor after 1 month, then only we can decide. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for your lovely words. Thank you so much. So the third comment for today's video is from Raminul. So the third comment for today's video is from Raminul Ali, and he's commenting on haunted reaction from Round to Hell, and he's commenting आपका हंसी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay, thank you so much. मुझे आपका मतलब. So the third comment for today's video is from Raminul Ali, and he's commenting on haunted reaction from Round to Hell, and he's commenting आपका हंसी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so thank you so much. I'm really glad कि मेरा हंसी आपको अच्छा लगता है. एंड हाँ, मैं ऐसे ही हंसती रहती हूँ, मैं प्रिटेंड नहीं कर पाती हूँ, मुझे हंसी आ जाती है तो मैं रिएक्शन दे देती हूँ. एंड दिस चैनल इज़ ओनली फॉर गिविंग द ट्रू रिएक्शन, राइट? सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई ऑलवेज डू. एंड समटाइम्स पीपल आर थिंकिंग दैट इतनी ज़्यादा हंसने की क्या बात है, बट क्या करूँ, ऐसी ही मैं हूँ. एंड रियली आपका कमेंट पढ़ के तो मेरा मन खुश हो गया. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कमेंट एंड फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.